What's going on, YouTube? I'm back. Bought myself a couple little treats here. As you can see here, I got a box of 2014 Topps Chrome Baseball, as well as some Topps Strata. I wanted to get some football cards day before the Super Bowl to do a little pre-Super Bowl break before my Seattle Seahawks hopefully beat the New England Patriots in Super Bowl 49. So I'm going to go ahead and rip into this 2014 Strata on this video, and then a later video I'll do the Topps Chrome. So with that being said, let's get into it. I'm going to use this butter knife here because I have nothing else to open this with. So looks like it worked, I guess. Alright, so get a little pre-Super Bowl football packs going on. Actually, this is the first box of this I've bought, and I have never bought any Strata before, actually of any year, so this is the first time that I have purchased Topps Strata. So here we go, 2014 Topps Strata Football. I've noticed there's a lot of redemptions for the clear-cut autos. Hopefully I don't have one of those, but we'll see. Alright, and we have Jason Witten, Nick Foles. There's my boy Beast Mode, Marshawn Lynch. See if I can get these to focus. The shine is kind of messing up the focus. CJ Spiller, Scott Crichton, and Robert Herron. So just base in that first pack. And Victor Cruz. Come on, focus. There we go. Victor Cruz, Peyton Manning, Maurice Jones-Drew did nothing for the Raiders. Devontae Adams, Jalen Strong, and Martavis Bryant. So just base in that pack as well. One feels maybe a little bit thicker, but I could be wrong. And Darrelle Revis, Clay Matthews, Rashad Jennings. Come on, these do not want to focus, huh? Jimmy Graham, Safarian Jenkins, Jake Matthews, just base. Okay, and we have Von Miller, AJ Manuel. There's a clear cut, well not cut, die cut, excuse me, of Russell Wilson. Again, my boy, Seattle Seahawks. These are not numbered, but still a really sweet looking card. And we have Larry Fitzgerald, Steven Jackson. Well, these really don't like focusing. No Sean Marino, Eric Ebron, Zach Martin, and Ryan Grant. Just base. And we have Drew Brees. There's Tom Brady. He'll be playing tomorrow against my Seahawks. Trent Richardson, Darqueze Dennard, Mike Davis, and Jarvis Landry. All base. Let's see if we can't get our first hit here. Should be 3 hits in this. And Antonio Brown, Keenan Allen, Zach Stacy, and Alfred Morris die cut. Zach Mettenberger and Logan Thomas. So there's 2 die cuts. This one of Alfred Morris. Again, these are not numbered, in case you haven't seen any of these Strata yet. And we have Jay Cutler, Julius Thomas, Austin Safarian Jenkins, Aaron Murray, Garrett Gilbert, and Calvin Pryor. I have an autographed rookie card of his at home. another die cut in here. Vincent Jackson, Brian Hoyer, Jimmy Graham, and who's the die cut of? Cam Newton. And just base, so it's 3 die cuts. So we got another die cut in here. Matt Forte. Got to focus, come on. Got to hold at an angle here. Andrew Luck. RG3 die cut. Jeff Janis, Jason Morrow. So, still not a hit yet. Alright. Well, it should be coming here. Less packs mean more hits at the end, which is always good, I guess. Although it does make you worry a little bit sometimes. Giovanni Bernard, Ndamukong Suh, Alfred Morris, and the first hit, Scott Crichton. That actually kind of surprised me there. I didn't even see it at first. So Scott Crichton is the first hit. Minnesota Vikings, excuse me. I'm on baseball all of a sudden. And this is a guy actually played for the Oregon State Beavers. Scott Crichton, I believe, defensive tackle. Does not say. I want to say he plays, but maybe his defensive end he plays. So Scott Crichton, rookie, 3rd rounder. Okay, first hit. Still should have a clear-cut auto relic and a relic in this box. So we got Doug Martin, Carson Palmer, Bernard Pierce, Brandon Coleman, James White, and Kadeem Carey. And we have Andre Ellington, Geno Smith, Calvin Pryor, Coney Ely, Dante Moncrief, Allen Robinson. Again, still should have 2 more hits left. And there's my boy, Richard the Shermanator, Demarius Thomas, Cam Newton, Cassius Marsh, rookie for my Seahawks, Brandon Cooks, and Mike Evans. Okay, 4 packs left, which means half of these should have hits. Let's see if we can't get it started right here. And we are going to get it started. Here comes the hit. And it is Terrence West is the clear cut, no patch this time. Rookie clear cut jersey, jumbo jersey card. Not numbered either. So there's a clear cut auto. So we're just missing now is the relic card. Okay, Deshaun Jackson, Toby Gerhart, Eddie Lacy, Dree Archer, Aaron Donald, Derek Carr. And we have Michael Floyd, Ben Tate, die cut Logan Thomas, Tom Savage, David Fales, and Taj Boyd. And this one should be a hit. Last pack. Come on. Oh, must be the hit because it's so freaking hard to open. Boy, that was awful. Okay, and it looks like we do have a hit in here. So Aaron Rodgers, Chris Johnson, and Carlos Hyde jersey card. Looks like it may be a patch of some type. 108 of 150, the numbered version. So there you go. There's my box 2014 Topps Strata. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time where I open this 2014 Topps Chrome Baseball. Catch you later.